Hello everybody, this is pretty much where we stopped on Monday after class, and I want to come here and show you how to finish up from where we left off on Monday. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on this song list and double click it, and that's going to bring up song list selected index changed. And if yours does not have a 1, do not worry, that is perfectly fine. I had not done it earlier, so it didn't work out for me. I had to redo it. All right, so you want to make sure and double click that song list, and then we're going to type in this, and this is the number 5 that we did not get to in class on Monday night. So you'll see here that kind of ends up, I'm at the very bottom of my code, and I have an integer that I'm declaring song index, and that's the select song list selected index. And then if the song index exists, it's a valid index, then we build our string. Using our string builder, we add the title array at that particular song index. We grab the artist array at that song index, which is the selected index in our song list. So if we're on a key or on an entry in the song list, we've selected something, this is what it comes and does. So it'll display all this information about the one that we click on in the song list. Okay, so that's that one. Then if we want to view the tab order and change it, make sure you're clicked on your front panel and you go to view and tab order. And then to change them, you just click here on each one. Then I click on the next one, then I click on the next one, then the next one, then the next one. These are all the ones that I want to use, and this is the order I want to go to them in. All right, let's say these are the only ones I want involved in my tabbing. I don't want to use these other ones, so I'm going to hit escape here. And then when I select these other ones, I'm going to go to tab stop and make each of those false. And I'm going to do that for this one, for the details window, for the web view 2 window, and for my play button. I want to have to click on the play button itself to make it work. I don't want to tab to it. These are the only ones I want to tab to. All right, so I've now fixed a couple of things. I want to look at how it works. So I'm going to add T1, A1, G1, 1, U1, and add. Okay, and I also want to check my tab order. So this time I'm going to tab. And I think I forgot to uncomment something there. It should have cleared out, but don't worry about that. Make sure to put your name in as one of these. Make sure you're entering ones that have valid information. You should have a notepad file similar to this that has a list of 5 songs in it. Then you can put in your 5 songs for verification here. And I meant to grab one of my, nope, that's the wrong one. Meant to grab one of my titles there. Let's use that one. And I gotta close that one. And where's my window running? There we go. There it is. I got lost for a second between reality and the virtual world. I'm sure it happens. Any of y'all tried the metaverse? And if I tab, you can see now I hit add song next. All right, so I'm going to clear again. And again, I forgot to uncomment the line that does that. So make sure yours should be fine. Don't worry about it. We set that before in that window. All right, so now I've added all the songs. I can actually scroll through the list here and see them. If I hit show all songs, what it does is it just pulls the list of songs down here and gets rid of the details. But then if I want to see the details, I can click on each song individually. And then say I want to play a video, I would have to come over here and hit play, and then it would bring up my video over here in my play window. Okay, the next thing we wanted to do was look at changing this to a combo box. So I'm going to click here and delete it. Then I'm going into my toolbox, and in my toolbox I want to grab a combo box. And I'm going to drag it over here. Okay, and you can see it has a little drop down arrow there. I'm going to hit the little control beside it and say edit items. I love this, I think it's too cool. Rock, pop, R&B, classical, classic, rock, soul. I can have hip hop. I can have rap. Okay, and that should be enough for right now. Hit OK. Alright, and then I need to go name it. So instead of, with it selected, I'll come over here and instead of genre text, I'll make this genre combo box. And now over here on my main form, I'm going to do a Control F and look for genre text. Hit this little drop down and I want to replace it with genre combo box. And if I just keep hitting enter, and you'll notice here in the clear button, I had to comment out clearing the genre combo box. There's not a clear command for that, so we just commented that line out. All right, so now I'll rerun it. And you can see I can hit my drop down now and select my different genres. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed that point. I have not finished the saves yet. I hope this gets you where you want to be, at least for right now, and we'll get this file saved and file open shortly. Thank you and have a great weekend.